What is an entrepreneurial mindset? To get one, you would have to develop one with 5 key practices. And to better explain these practices, I'll flesh out the lemonade out of lemons analogy. This analogy is a parable for all entrepreneurs that make the most out of opportunities where others see no success. However, in between the lemons and the lemonade, there are key methodologies that garner the success, which brings us to the first mindset practice, process-oriented, aka startup methodology. The process of building a successful business is not linear. The only linear process is the development process, whereby you start off with the design phase, then the testing phase, and finally the repeat phase. And what doesn't work in this phase gets chopped and changed, which actually makes the development process circular, not linear. Being process-oriented allows an entrepreneur to systematically reduce the risk and uncertainty of new business ideas before big investing. So after sifting through numerous methodologies, we finally have one recipe, which is straightforward and commonly used, but standard methods make average sales. This is where first principles thinking comes in. It's the act of boiling a process down to the fundamental parts that you know are true and building up from there, which helps remove the impurities of assumptions and conventions. We've added our own pizzazz to the recipe now, made the lemonade, and now we're ready to sell. But you're wondering, what if this isn't what the people want? With empathy, practice 3, we find ourselves with the solution. You're putting yourselves into your customer's shoes, getting out of the building, getting out of your comfort zone, and you find out what is out there with help to design human-centric solutions. Design thinking plays a big role in this part. Like what Steve Jobs did, you figure out what the people actually want before they do. It's natural to anticipate problems and come up with solutions to these problems. An individual with an entrepreneurial mindset would understand the value in identifying a solution in search of a problem, SISP, where you use your solution to get to the understanding of the real problem. That way you curb any possibilities of future problems burdening your progress and success. We finally make sales. However, it's still an average turnout. So we decide to make an investment larger than what the business would be able to handle. In entrepreneurial talk, they call this shooting cannonballs instead of bullets. Practice number 5 suggests the implementation of a learning mindset, where through continuous experimentation, you would eventually uncover the success of your business. So instead of acting on untested assumptions, which is making huge investments, you can rather test ideas in a low-cost, low-risk way. And there you have it. When business life hands you lemons, make lemonade with an entrepreneurial